What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for XRP against the US dollar on the Binance exchange. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So XRP had a massive run up from about early November up until about early December. So in 1 month, it went up about 450%. So a very substantial move up in a short amount of time. And since then, since early December, we have been correcting down. So XRP still looks bearish in the short term. And let's go over the technical reasons why. Well, first, price made a drop of this magnitude in the past, and then it made a similar size drop later. Price found support, reversed higher, but then it still made a lower high. It closed as a lower high and price continued down lower. So that tells me we could be making a larger target. So this is one leg down right here. This is the second leg down. And this is targeting right around the 173, 168 level. So that's where I'm expecting price to go. You can see this is all one large leg right about there. You go and move this over. That's the start of the second leg. 1.72 is the target. So that's where price is headed. So that's one reason why price should be continuing lower. Another reason is, let's go and move that. Another reason is this bearish trend line. You can see that price is maintaining the momentum towards the downside. There's no bullish trend line as of right now. The bullish trend line was broken. There was one over here. So that one was broken. So that shows loss of momentum by the bulls. And as right now, bears are still below their trend line. So this is a good sign for shorts, meaning it tells me that the bearish momentum is still strong towards the downside. So that's another reason why price should go down lower. And another reason is that price was bouncing off of this 2.2 level, $2.20 level. So you can see that if I zoom in, you can see that it was bouncing off a level here and a couple more times here. And then this red candle right here on the 26th of December was able to break through that level, and price is not able to get back above that line once again. So it tells me that this prior support looks to be acting as some sort of resistance now, and looks like we could be seeing further downside for XRP. So again, I'm looking for that 170 level, possibly even lower. There's a bunch of stop losses by the bulls below these swings right here, below this wick of this candle and below the wick of this candle. So there's could be a good move down lower real quickly. So again, the chart is looking bearish in the short term. All of this is bearish price action, and there's nothing long term that can reverse price as of right now. Maybe if we were coming to a long-term trend line by the bulls, we could bounce off of it, but it looks like it's not in play as of right now, and we could be dropping down much lower than people think. So I'm looking for sub $2 entering the mid to low, sub $2 entering the mid $1 level. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is going to be very obvious what's going on. This exact same thing happened right back over here in 2017. You can see that this arrow on the left side points to that bubble that formed in the market. And now look what happened. This is exact same kind of structure where we have massive amount of green bars that are large. And then once they hit this same exact level of 272, you can see that there's resistance over here. And now it's the same resistance again. We're seeing red bars come in the market. Not as much as it was once before. So that's something to make note of. You can see how we have massive green bars followed by massive red bars. But look at over here. We have massive green bars followed by kind of smaller red bars. So this tells me that we probably can continue higher past this prior high that was made. So that was probably not a top. It's not guaranteed, but the chart is telling me that we could probably exceed that in the future. But as right now, it is correcting lower. Where is it coming back to? Well, the EMA needs to catch up. It doesn't need to, but a lot of times it will, especially when the bubble is popped. So the EMA is catching up, and that's right around the 130 level. But I think you'll probably catch up when the price is at the 150 level. This was the prior breakout right over here, and this horizontal level can act as support in the future at right around the mid $1 level. So as right now, everything's pointing to the downside. So it's high probability we do see low prices. Is it guaranteed? No, but it's a high probability that we do see lower prices. I'm expecting price to get below the $2 level, entering the mid $1 level, reach that measurement target at 170, possibly even lower. Let that EMA catch up, maybe retest this prior resistance as support at the 154, and then we'll see what happens. Are we going to continue higher or lower? That's just a guess at that point. We'll have to just wait and see. As right now, the chart is telling me that we can continue to see higher prices, but we have to let this pullback play out. So all I have for XRP against the dollar on the Binance exchange. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.